Yo, what's up, man?
What's up, guys? It's me, Aaron, and this is my cousin.
Yeah.
We're back with another video with MrBeastLabs.
Okay. Okay.
Today we're gonna open the MrBeast.
MrBeast.
Let's unbox it. Go. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go. Yo, look, wait. Let me put this in the camera. What's this? It's not supposed to be MrBeast. To be MrBeast, tell me. It's a Black Panther.
Yeah.
That is actually a paper. If you buy this, don't get tricked. It's paper. Still haven't figured it out. High language. Yo, wait, what? What's this thing? It comes out. Huh? What? Eh? Is it broken? No.
Nah.
What? Extra lift? Oi! Wait. The channel needs to see this. The lore. What's this? I know you guys can't see it, but it looks like pearls. Leg! It's on his leg. It's on his leg. Don't ever smell this. Let the YouTube see this. It looks like soda. It's bubbles. Smells toxic. Drink it. I mean, don't. Yo. Okay, let me turn it around for them to see. Look. Pay attention here. It sounds so satisfying. You hear the water sound. Don't mind me everything. Let's put some extra bubbles on there. Bubbles won't come out. Putting the water in. Wait. Shake.
No.
Oh. My
Don't
God.
shake, man.
How it come out?
Bro.
How?
Bro.
Help!
Please. Yeah. Open face here. Wow.
Oh my God. It's
Bro.
leaking! It's
Bro.
leaking!
No!
Please put this in a blooper.
2 times.
Editor, don't show this. Wait, been one new scan.
Yep.
It's a finger scanner. Now, how do we open it?
Oh my.
Fail.
Oh my.
Okay. We shouldn't have put this on the iron. The ironing place.
Oh
The
gee.
ironing place is ruined. Wait, let me smell it.
Bro.
It smells so bad.
Not that bad, man.
I pressed one into ta.
Yeah. What do you
Oi.
Yeah.
Oi. More with PP.
Shoot.
Oh wait, not that wet. Wait, let the wait, huh? What side? What side? Okay. Here and then open it. Oh yes, we
Yeah.
see it. On the correct side now. Wait, let me see it also. Yo, looks cool. Is this supposed to be MrBeast?
What you get?
MrBeast 30 years later.
The middle one?
Yes. It's Stealth Panther, I think. Stealth Panther. Oh, it's wet. It's oily. Piggy's oily. It's very oily. Guys, if anyone knows, what's this button? We'll try that later, okay? Wait. Yo! Come here. The claws can move. The arms can move. Wait, can that? Oh, come on, it can't. You can't move the mouth, actually. So you can't move the mouth. You can only move the head. But still pretty cool. Yeah, move the arms. Anywhere, move the claws. And move his wiggly tail. And his legs. But they just keep being bended like this. You can't like put them in front. Oh my god! The toes looks like they're from Walmart. Look, how is that panther toes? I'll show you guys. I bended it. How? Wait, what? What? That makes no sense. But okay. Oh, but you can still move the legs, toe. Yo, wait. See that? Oh, you can't. It doesn't work on the camera. Do we have a stick? Oh, scissors. Wait, we're gonna press the button. Is it clean? Pick it. The toes look like they're from Walmart. What the legs like? The toes are really weird.
Are you done?
I think so. Peace
Peace
out.
out.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya, man.
Now that we cut the wires out, let's unbox the real thingy.
Yeah.
Sorry, we are very bad at unboxing thingies,
Yeah.
especially toys. Video.
Man.
Thanos.